The rear caliper on your YZ125 had slight redesigns between 1994 and 2001, but the same service applies to all models. My bike is totally stripped, so I am removing the banjo bolt on the bench, but I would recommend that you remove yours while still mounted to the bike. Brake fluid can damage almost everything, so keep your shop towels handy. The parts you will need are a rear caliper rebuild kit, rubber grease, and a fresh bottle of DOT4 brake fluid. If you don't have parts yet, you can get all the parts you need through the link below. This rear caliper service should cost no more than $25 and should take less than an hour to complete. Start by removing the rear wheel and brake pads. Remove the caliper guard, then pump the brake pedal to extend the pistons out of the caliper body. With the pistons extended as far as possible, remove the banjo bolt. Wrap the end of your brake line in a shop towel. Wrap a pair of pliers in electrical tape, then pull the piston out of the caliper in a twisting motion. Remove the slide boots from the caliper and bracket, followed by the bleeder valve and piston seals. My piston bore was extremely dirty, so I had to clean it before I could remove my seals. Clean all of your rear caliper components and make sure to rinse and dry them thoroughly. Inspect the components for excessive wear, pitting, and corrosion. If any part is damaged, you will need to replace it. Measure the inside diameter of the piston bore. The piston bore should be no greater than 30.23 mm on 1994 through 1997 and 27 mm on 1998 through 2001 models. My caliper measured out of spec at 27.03 mm, but that's close enough for me. I am installing an all-balls rear caliper rebuild kit, and you can get this exact kit through the link below. Match the old parts with new parts to make sure you're not accidentally throwing away something you might need. Once you have your new parts ready, soak your piston seals in fresh brake fluid for 15 minutes to soften and lubricate for assembly. Start by installing the new piston seal and dust seal. Install the new boots. The long boot goes on the caliper, and the short boot goes on the bracket. Install the new bleeder valve cap, then install the bleeder valve. Piston and brake fluid, then install the piston in a twisting motion with the open end facing out. Grease the slide pin boots and slide pins and get as much grease as you can into the boots. Assemble the bracket and body, then give the bracket a few pumps to evacuate any trapped air in the boots. Install the banjo bolt with new seal washers. As you will see, you can't access the banjo bolt with a torque wrench when installed in the swing arm, so clamp the caliper bracket to the top of the swing arm. Torque the banjo bolt to 25 foot-pounds. Make sure to visit fixyourdirtbike.com for the detailed step-by-step walkthrough. You can follow me at fixyourdirtbike across all social media, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or direct message. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.